To factory reset your Shokz OpenFit 2 Plus, well, you will need to put them into the case. And from here, you see that button over here? You will press and hold it for about 15 seconds. Basically, we will wait until the light over here blinks orange or red, something like that. Now this one, we'll keep waiting, just orange. There we go. Now it is resetting at the moment. And now when it blinks from orange to green, it means that it is in pairing mode. So it is now disconnected from everything and it reset all the settings. So if you are looking to sell it back to someone else, that's what you want to do before. I hope this was helpful.